Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. Okay, y'all. So, all praises go to the Most High Yah for allowing us to see another day. Y'all, we have to always give thanks, okay? For those of you who don't know me, if this is your very first time here on this platform, my name is Joyce McTier, and I'm going to be your host for a Crafty Vision segment. For those of you who don't know what a Crafty Vision segment is, it is a craft with a vision. Okay, this is something that I pretty much came up with, so that's why I call these segments Crafty Vision segments. But it's a how to make video. Okay, so today I'm going to show y'all how to make two different types of earrings using these favorite findings that I purchased from Walmart. Okay, I love these buttons. Look at these buttons. They, of course, they always come in a different assortment of sizes. Okay, so you have your small, your medium. You have like pretty much like a small, medium, a large. Then I think you have something bigger than this, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So anyway, you're going to need some buttons. Like I said, I purchased these from Walmart. You will also need some 12 millimeter beads. Now, these are some acrylic beads that I purchased from Michaels some time ago. I don't even know if Michaels still have these. I purchased these some time ago, okay? So you're going to need 2 of these. You're going to need about 6 buttons, 3 per earring. You're going to need, of course, some artistic wire. And you're going to need your wire cutters, round nose pliers, and your fish hook. Okay, that's what you're going to need for the first earring. The second earring, you're going to need some artistic wire and some buttons, and of course, a fish hook. So we're going to go ahead and get started creating these earrings. So, all right, here we go, y'all. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to take some, this is 20 gauge artistic wire. Let's see. And you're going to cut yourself at least, let me see, I'm going to, because I got my little measure in here. I'm going to cut this about 10 inches. Okay, so you're going to cut it about 10 inches. Snip that off. So we have about 10 inches of wire. Okay. And then the next thing I am going to do is I'm going to go into my assortment of beads, and you want to have, did I say how many beads? You're going to need at least 5. You're going to need 5 beads. Okay. So you're going to need, you just want to make sure that they all pretty much match up to be the same size. So you're going to do 1, 2, one of these right here. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, and then another one of those, 4, and then this is going to be on the end, and that's going to make 5, okay? And then you're going to need 1 of these, all right? And then 1 of these, okay? So let's go ahead and get this all together. So we're going to take our wire and we're going to just put on our beads. So you're going to start from the small, medium, large, medium, and then a small, okay? That's pretty much how we're going to put these on. Just like this. Okay, so this is pretty much what it is going to look like once you get it on. Now you want to make sure that it is in the center of your wire, if at all possible. And then you're just going to take and pinch these two up just like this. Okay, so when you pinch it up, that's going to be your design. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to take this bead right here and you're going to place it on next, just like this. You're going to put one piece in here and one piece in here, and you're going to just start bringing it down just like this. Now as you're bringing it down, your shape is changing to whatever you want it to be. Okay, you can bring it down to, like I said, whatever you want it to be. If you don't want to bring it all the way down, you can leave it up some, but bring it down. Okay, that's what you're going to have. And then we're going to take this here, this bead, and we're going to place this bead on top. All right, so this is pretty much what your earring is looking like. That's what you're going to have, okay? All right, from your buttons. Next thing you want to do is you just want to hold it just like this. You're going to take your round nose pliers, bring your two pieces together and make a loop just like that, and you're going to just start wrapping this around just like this. Now you can do this as many times as you see fit. It is completely up to you. I'm going to take it to the back, straighten it up. Okay, that's what you're going to have. And then all you're going to do next is take your pliers, snip both of these off. Okay, and then you just want to squeeze that in, and then all you do next is add on your fish hook. Just like this. See that? And then you have yourself a gorgeous, let me straighten this up a little bit. You have yourself a gorgeous pair. How in the world did that get in there? A gorgeous pair. Now these isn't a pair because this was my prototype. But you have yourself a gorgeous pair of earrings. So that's what you're going to have. These are cute. Okay, so this is the first pair. Okay, now let's get to the second pair. Now the second pair of earrings, I pretty much showed y'all how to do these one time before. And they're going to be created using these. Now these right here, if you can see, they're flat on both sides. All right, that's what I love about these buttons. They are flat on both sides. I'm gonna put these in a box. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my wire once again, my 20 gauge wire, and you can find this wire at Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna cut 12 inches of this. 12 inches. Okay, because we're gonna make a pair. Now I pretty much, like I said, have shown y'all how to make and create something similar to this one time before. Y'all may not remember. They were with a different type of button. A colorful button, as a matter of fact. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all how to do this because I did this yesterday and I actually fell in love with it. I was like, ooh, yes. That's going to be nice. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your button, place your button on, okay? You're going to make a, it's look like you're making a loop. So then you're going to take one piece of your wire and you're going to stick it through, wait a minute. You're going to stick it through the other part of your button like this. And you're just going to pull it. Okay. Okay, just like that. And you're going to bring these two pieces up like this. Now, you can make this as big or as small. These are going to be abstract. You can make these as big or as small as you see fit. It is completely up to you on what you choose and how you choose to do this. Okay, just like that and like that, and straighten it up because it is going to be moving around. See that? And like I said, you can make these as big or as small as you see fit. All right, so you just go in, make your adjustment. Okay, that's what you're gonna have, and then you're gonna take and place your pliers over top and then twist these. Okay, so you're gonna take one piece and twist it around, and the other piece you're gonna pinch it up. Okay, just like this. All right, so this is what I have. I'm gonna just continue to wrap this around, but I'm gonna pull that up as I'm wrapping. Okay, my abstract earring. I'm gonna go to the back, straighten that up, and this is pretty much what you're going to have. And then I'm going to take and snip right there. And I'm going to take and pinch this over and make my loop. Okay, when I make my loop, I'm going to bring this over like this and then just start wrapping this down on my earring. All right, just like this. I'm gonna come all the way down. Okay, yep. All right, and then I'm gonna snip right here, like that. And then just take and squeeze that in so that nothing is sticking. Here's your earring. Okay, y'all, so here you have two really cute pair of earrings. These are abstract button earrings. Okay, go and make plenty, and please make sure that you thumbs up the video so that this video can go into rotation. I want to say thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. Thank y'all so very much. And that this button will move around on your earring. Okay, it will definitely move around, but it won't come off, but it will move around. All right. So thank y'all so much for joining me. Thank y'all so much for watching. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.